Nagkakaroon po ba ng bagong spokesperson ng PNP?
Well, nandito ang ating PIO. Lahat ang daming spokesperson, no? The commander of, for example, RD, when I was the RD, I make it a point that the ang chief of police ay may knowledge of what is happening with this jurisdiction. So sa level ng chief of police dapat meron siya mismo ang nagsasalita on behalf of within his jurisdiction. Sa provincial level, ang magsasalita ang spokesman is ang ating provincial director, and he is authorized to have his kung wala siya, merong spokesman, no? To talk on behalf of the provincial director. Sa regional office, ganun din, the RD with spokesperson. Here, in the national headquarters, ang magsasalita is the chief PNP and the spokesperson. And yung spokesperson, the PIO, for example, ang panang office mo, Public Information Office, nandiyan na sa kanila lahat yun. So, all the repository of reports, nandiyan sa kanya. And inihimay niya yon so that it will be ready to the public, katulad yung ito kayo tinatanong. Nasa kanya yan. Okay. So, bakit meron pa tayong spokesperson na is the spokesperson? No? Dalawa kami.
So General Juan na po.
And we will look into that kung saan ba napunta yung spokesperson.
So hindi na po si General Fajardo.
Pag-aaralan nga, dahil designated siya na
Yes.
spokes, ano? Nandito ang ating PIO, under naman yun doon dapat. Di parehas kami, OCPNP. Office of the Chief, merong spokesperson at merong PIO, yung parang isa lang
Pero sir, para kami, may kipag-coordinate kami, hindi na po kay General Fajardo. Tama po ba, sir?
Kailangan natuwa niya na. Kung kailangan namin ng interview.
Take the procedure.
Yes. Okay. So,